here we are going to see what are the arithmetic operator in Python. In order to demo that, I am opening a terminal. If you are using Windows operating system, you can use a command prompt, okay, and type Python. Since I have Python 3 and 2, I am typing Python 3, okay. Now we'll get a Python shell. In order to demo arithmetic operator, I am creating some variables a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and c equal to a plus b. Okay, so plus is used for adding two numbers. Okay, so the value of c will be 30. Okay, then c equal to a minus b is used to subtract b from a. Okay, c will be 10 minus 20 will be minus 10. Then c equal to a star b, that is equal to a into b. So here we'll get 200. Okay, so c equal to a divided by b, that means we should get 0.5, right? Yes, 10 divided by 20. Okay, then c equal to a double slash b, that means integer division. Here we can see that we got a decimal point, right? If I want an integer result, okay, we can use, here it is a floating point, right? Okay, floating point number. Okay, so I don't want a floating point number, I want only the integer part of the, I want an integer number. So what we need, we can use a slash slash b, so it will be 0. c equal to 10 divided by 3, that means 3.333, right? I want only the integer portion, so in that case we can use c equal to 10 3, that means we'll get only 3. c equal to 10 star star 3, it is exponent operator. Okay, 10 into 10 into 10, that is equal to 1000, right? c equal to 10 modulus 3, so here the result is 1, that means if we divide 10 by 3, we'll get 1 as the remainder, right? So that is the output here. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operator in Python: plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, exponent, and modulus. I hope you got some idea. Thanks for watching.